Did you know that at least half of all homes in Europe and the US have a pet, yet 1/5 of all people are allergic to pets like cats and dogs? That means if you own a pet, there's a good chance that someone in your home, or a friend or a family member who visits your home has a pet allergy. I have been allergic to dogs and cats since childhood, so I know firsthand that the symptoms of pet allergies like runny nose, sneezing, itchy eyes are not limited to being around a pet. That's because pet dander lingers in your home's air and sticks to furniture, bedding, and other fabrics. Thankfully, you don't have to get rid of your pet to improve your home's indoor air quality. The SwitchBot Air Purifier Table will not only remove pet allergens, hair, and odor, but also remove 99.99% of germs from your indoor air. On top of that, it can function as an end table in your living room or a nightstand in the bedroom, thanks to the table on top, perfect for resting a drink or a book, or even charging a phone thanks to its built-in wireless charger. I'm going to share everything you need to know about using this air purifier table, from unboxing to smart home setup and control. But the potential of this device is even bigger than you might imagine. I'll show you what I mean. If you're new here, my name is Michael Leen, and this channel is all about how tech can make you more productive, especially through home automation, with new videos every week. Thanks to SwitchBot for sponsoring this video and supporting the channel. Let's get this thing unboxed. It's got a barrel connector, power cable, quick start guide, user manual, Phillips head screwdriver, the tabletop. It's a closer look at that tabletop. And it has a dedicated section right here, which I believe is a wireless charger for your phone. On the bottom, you can see the power connection coming in right here. And here is the air purifier itself. Power connection on top to accept the tabletop. It comes with some tape right here. You want to remove that. And one more. Then you can open up the side here. And take off this protective plastic that's just here for shipping. Here's the filter itself. Can put this vent cover back in place. Just magnetically attaches really easily. And now we can install this tabletop. You want the wireless charger on the tabletop to be on the right hand side. You can see the control buttons right here for the air purifier. So presumably this is going to be the right hand side here. I'm just going to connect these two wires. And then push this into place. And once you push it down, you're going to want to rotate it just to lock it into place. And for extra stability, they recommend using the included screwdriver and 2 included screws to secure this into place. The screw holes can be tricky to find. They are recessed down here in the vent, but the good thing about that is it means you're not going to see the screws after you put them in for a cleaner look. That table is nice and secure now with the 2 screws in, and when you pick it up and move it, you can just use both hands and support it equally on both sides of the table. It's really not that heavy. This thing comes in 2 versions, the air purifier and the air purifier table. I have the table version. Both offer similar air filtration features, just one has a table on top. It was made specifically with pets in mind, able to remove over 93% of floating pet hair. The HEPA filter was designed to adhere to floating pet hair, trapping it in place. It removes 99% of cat hair in less than 1 hour, and activated carbon removes 98% of pet odor within 30 minutes. The power adapter is intentionally removable and braided, making it chew resistant from pets. But it's not just about pets. This thing can remove 99.99% of germs and can also eliminate the smells from cooking, secondhand smoke, and even body odor, though I'm not testing that one with my family. An onboard particulate matter sensor monitors your home's indoor air quality and automatically increases airflow when the air quality deteriorates, taking all the guesswork out of the process. That guesswork is also made easier by its built-in light. There are basically two lighting modes. You can use the built-in light as an air quality indicator. This is how it arrives out of the box. This means the light changes colors based on how healthy your indoor air is. It will light up blue when the air quality is very good, green when good, orange when moderate, and red when bad. Alternatively, you can take control of the light and choose from 10 different colors to create the desired ambiance in your room. There is also a built-in fragrance box allowing you to drop aromatic oil for continuous, pleasing scents throughout the space. No fragrances are included though, so you'll have to bring your own. The tabletop has a built-in wireless charger that supports Qi 1 and can fast charge an Android phone at 15 watts or an iPhone at 7.5 watts, though I would have liked to see support for Qi 2 already. Having a wireless charger at your side is certainly convenient. This one is discreet and water resistant, so you don't have to worry about spilled drinks damaging it. The SwitchBot Air Purifier Table supports Matter, which means you can add it to any of your favorite smart home platforms such as Amazon, Apple, Home Assistant, Homey, Google, and SmartThings. To access all the features this device has to offer, you will want to pair it with the SwitchBot app. I'll show you how to do this and how to add it to Home Assistant using Matter. Alright, to connect the air purifier to your smart home, you want to open up the SwitchBot app or download it if you don't already have it. Once you have the SwitchBot app open, hit the plus icon in the upper right and then click Add Device. It will scan for nearby devices using a Bluetooth connection. You can see here it has already discovered the air purifier table, so I'll click that. Now it says press the power button to turn the device on, then press the button for 2 seconds and wait for the Wi-Fi indicator to flash fast. So let me go ahead and press that on the device. So the Wi-Fi indicator is flashing on the air purifier itself. I can click Connect Device. Okay, so it connected the device, and now it wants to connect to my 2.4 gigahertz home Wi-Fi network. Okay, now you can name the device, and you can also place it into a room in your house. And when you first install it, you may see it has a firmware upgrade. Go ahead and install that. Okay, the upgrade is complete. Click Finish. And now the air purifier is fully set up and configured and added to the SwitchBot app. Of course, you can control it from the SwitchBot app. Right here, you can go ahead and toggle the power on and off on the device. You can see it gives you the reading of the detected air quality in the room. Fortunately, it says my air is very good right now. If you click here, it gives you a reference about how to read particle matter and the different ranges that you can expect to see when using the device and what the light indicator lights mean on the device itself. From the app, you can also adjust the level, from level 1 being the quietest to level 3 being the highest. You could keep it in auto mode. If you have pets, which this device is perfect for, you could put it into pet mode, which will be a little more aggressive in terms of removing that pet dander and hair from the air. Or if this thing sits in a bedroom, you could put it into sleep mode to keep it nice and quiet to not disturb your sleep. I'm going to go ahead and leave it on auto. Going into environmental data, here you can actually see a trend over time of the air quality in the room where the device is located. If you click Schedules, you can actually create a schedule if you want this thing to automatically run during certain times of day. Perhaps it's in a bedroom and you don't want it to run when you are asleep, you want it to run during the daytime. Or maybe you work from an office and you want it to run when you're away from home, but not when you are home. Coming down to care and maintenance, it gives you an estimation of the life left in the air filter and also the kind of cleaning you can expect to do on the pre-filter. That way you don't have to wonder or guess how to take care of it. Clicking the settings gear icon in the upper right, here if you wanted to change the name of the room, you can come back and do that here. You can also customize the backlight and the sounds that it makes. So if you don't want the light on at all, you can of course turn that off or even adjust the brightness of that light. I'm going to go ahead and put it on soft. And you can even customize the light color. It's pre-programmed to change the light based on the air quality, or you can just have it set to a static light color all the time when it's on. You can also activate the child lock from the device right here. This will disable the physical buttons on the air purifier. You can set it into a do not disturb mode, which means all lights and sounds will be disabled. And you can enable or disable the wireless charger on top of the table. But you don't have to use the SwitchBot app only. You can connect this to your preferred smart home platform. You can see all the major platforms are supported here, and you can connect it to Home Assistant also using Matter. To do that, you will need a supported SwitchBot hub, such as the Hub 2 or the Hub Mini Matter enabled. I'll show you how to add the air purifier to Home Assistant using Matter. Go back to the main part of the SwitchBot app, and here I'm going to find my SwitchBot hub that has Matter support, which is going to be this Hub 2 right here. Click the gear icon, come down to Matter Setup, and then click on Secondary Devices. And you can see from the list here, it has my air purifier table. So I'm going to go ahead and hit the plus icon, so I can see it now appearing up here in the added list. Then you can open the Home Assistant app and go to Settings, Devices and Services, and search for the Matter integration. I already have it installed, and if I click Devices, I can see it's already been added now to my list of Matter devices in Home Assistant. Now, it does not carry the name over. I call it a SwitchBot Air Purifier in the SwitchBot app, but here it just calls it an on-off plug-in unit. Now, you are limited here. I can only toggle the unit on and off. I don't have access to all the features that you have in the SwitchBot app, so that's something you'll want to take note of if you're using this via Matter with Home Assistant. I can, of course, rename the device here in Home Assistant to match what I have in the SwitchBot app and add it to a room. Click Update. But as mentioned, you can add it to any of these other smart home platforms as well, and clicking into each one of them will give you more information on how to do that. I've already connected the SwitchBot skill with Amazon Smart Home Platform, so it automatically brings the air purifier into Amazon's voice assistant in the app. I do wish more of the features were exposed to Home Assistant when connected using Matter. For example, I would like the ability to adjust different cleaning modes and the ambient lighting effects from my Home Assistant automations. It's not required to connect this to your smart home or to use an app, thanks to physical controls on the device. Taking a look around the device, we have the Wi-Fi indicator over here. You can press this for a child lock, which disables the physical buttons on the device. Here you can adjust the fan speed from low to high. Here's the power button in the middle. Here you can adjust the different modes. Auto, which will go just based upon the detected air quality. Pet will crank things up to eliminate pet dander or hair. And then sleep will quiet the machine down to not disturb you if this was in a room where you're sleeping. Over here you can set a timer between 2, 4, and 6 hours. On the top we have the table in this sort of light wood, almost bamboo color. Here you have the ring for the wireless charger for your phone. You want to make sure it's nice and centered on this area here. And if we flip the device around, right here you can see this push button, and if we press this, there's a little pad here where you can drop an oil diffuser for a nice aromatic scent that it can push out into your space to make it just smell really pleasant. The air purifying filter itself runs all the way around the perimeter of the device. You can see the openings here in the back and more here on the front side. And it is a great height as an end table right next to your couch to put a drink, a book, glasses, or a phone to charge in the wireless charging pad. At the start of the video, I mentioned that the potential for this device is bigger than you might think. That's because I was at CES 2025 in Las Vegas earlier this year, where SwitchBot announced the upcoming multitasking household robot K20 Plus Pro. It goes beyond being a robot vacuum and mop and uses what SwitchBot calls a fusion platform to integrate other smart home devices. Once released, you can place the air purifier table on top of the Fusion platform, turning it into a mobile catering table, able to bring food, drinks, or small packages to people around the home. It's a smart delivery assistant, which is quite unique. The SwitchBot Air Purifier Table is perfect for anyone with dogs or cats, or even anyone with respiratory sensitivities such as kids or the elderly. It can eliminate many of the allergens and germs in your home, making sure that you and your household breathe in clean air. The SwitchBot Air Purifier Table is available now for $269.99 or without the table for $219.99. I'll leave links in the description so you can check it out. Using those links supports the channel at no extra cost to you. In fact, I'll also leave a discount code so you can save more on your purchase. If you found value in this video, give it a thumbs up and leave a comment. It makes a huge difference. If you want more content like this, consider subscribing or becoming a channel member. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.